we're going to go ahead and finish up the installation of the other Fourwerx accessories that I have for the YFZ. We have the carbon fiber frame guard, as well as their carbon fiber battery tie down. We also have their stabilizer cover, and we also have their brake guard reservoir cover. So we're going to go ahead and get these last pieces installed on the YFZ today. Now for the frame guard cover, we will have to clean the frame. I'm going to wipe that down with some cleaning solution. Alright y'all, so we have the frame guard installed. Overall, it was pretty easy to get those on the machine. You guys saw I was using some heat to help apply the frame guard on the machine here. And actually, I'm going to come back in there and hit this right here with some heat to hopefully get a better contact with the frame. But overall, really easy to install, guys. Anyone can do this. But yeah, looks really good. Matches the seat, matches the hood. Kind of dark over here, so hard to see, but next up we're gonna go ahead and get the battery tie down installed. This is another piece by Fourwerx, and it's gonna match the carbon fiber theme that we have going on the YFZ, so I'm excited to get this installed. I did do some cleaning on the battery compartment just because it's a little icky in there just from the season of riding, so clean that up just a little bit. I didn't film that, but we're gonna go ahead and get the battery tie down installed next. Alright, just like that, the battery tie down is installed. Super easy installation, just two 10mm bolts, and that's really it. And it looks incredible in the battery compartment. It's really the small touches for me that make the build really cool. It cleans up the battery compartment, looks really good, matches the rest of the carbon on the machine, so I do really like that. And move on to the stabilizer cover, which should be really easy. It installs with zip ties, so we shouldn't have any trouble with that. The stabilizer cover is installed, really easy. Probably not going to be able to see it in there just because of the lighting. Last Fourwerx accessory that we have to install is the brake reservoir guard. So we're going to go ahead and pull that out of the packaging and get that installed on the YFZ. Last accessory that we have to install is the brake guard reservoir also in carbon fiber by Fourwerx. So we're gonna go ahead, get that out of the packaging, get that piece installed, and I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. It's pretty chilly in the garage. So and just like that, guys, we have the OEM cover off. 2 bolts. The one was a little bit of a pain, but sometimes that happens with these types of projects. So we got the OEM cover off. I'm actually going to clean up that area so that way when we install the Fourwerx cover, we have a clean installation area. But we're gonna go ahead and keep it moving. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The installations overall were pretty easy. We did have that issue with that 1 bolt for the brake guard cover. I would like to take a crack at the seat cover again. I think I can get it just a little bit tighter, a little less wrinkly, but I am happy overall with how it came out. The Fourwerx hood turned out phenomenal. I do really like it. I am still on the fence whether I want to keep it the full carbon fiber look or if I want to add a livery to it or some graphics to it, but we're going to keep it as is for right now. Like I've mentioned before, I don't have a lot of experience with these type of parts. So this is new to me. I am learning as I go. Make sure if you have any advice to make my life easier, to make the installations easier, anything, any tips, tricks, anything for the community, drop it down below in the comment section. And yeah, we're gonna keep on with the videos. I have a ton in store for the YFZ and the STI back there, so you don't wanna miss upcoming videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button.